What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Quinice Show. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Quinice. If you're a return member, what's up, y'all? Back in that thing. If I title video and that thumbnail, we are restocking our refrigerator today. If you want to see us go grocery shopping and you want to go ahead and see us the haul that we did before this, go ahead. I'll go ahead and drop that down below so you guys can take a look at that. But yes, we are restocking this beautiful refrigerator with our $400 massive grocery haul that we have over there. So we're definitely going to get into that. If you haven't already, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. Turn those post notifications on so you never miss when your girl drops a video. Go ahead and subscribe to my other channel, the Quinice Revon. I'll go ahead and drop that down below. So without further ado, let's get into this restock. Let's go. Start with the refrigerator, you guys, because I cleaned it out. Our last video, I cleaned it out. I normally like to clean it out, but we're getting rid of this stuff because we don't need it, especially if we haven't used it. Some of the stuff I will cook and keep. That can go. But this ice cream we're gonna keep. But I told y'all, our refrigerator was empty. Empty, y'all. It definitely was empty. We have some leftover pretzels. I'm gonna keep these in here again because the kids do like that. I need to get a Sharpie, y'all, and start labeling what I have because I'll be like, what's this? What's that? I know I'm not the only parent that does that. Okay, y'all, I decided to do a voiceover at this point because Legend was really acting up when we were making this video. He was not letting me have it, and I'd rather just do a voiceover of you guys just watching me do everything because instead of him just screaming in the background, because I don't feel like y'all would want to hear that. But anyways, I'm pretty much throwing out that steak meat. That steak meat was in there when we went shopping at Aldi's, y'all. I thought I was going to use it, and I didn't end up using it. But I actually enjoy restocking the refrigerator with you guys, and I want to show you guys how I do that. I did have a lot of groceries. I am really tired in this video, y'all, because literally I did the haul, and then I had to put it all away. So it was just a lot. It was a lot. But stay tuned as we put these groceries away together, because normally I like to deep clean my refrigerator too before I even do put my groceries in there. But y'all, we were pressed for time. Your girl was tired. So yeah, let's go ahead and restock this refrigerator. Okay, y'all, so now I'm going to show you guys the freezer that we stocked, and it looks really, really good. I was really excited. And then now we're going to start and work on the refrigerator part, so stay tuned. You guys, the refrigerator now, it is all put up together. And then there is our deep freezer. I want to thank you guys for restocking our refrigerator with us. If you haven't already, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. And your girl, let's see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.